Hello students. In the previous videos, we discussed on one of the biomolecule, that is protein. Now let us start with another micronutrient, that is a biomolecule, which is called as vitamins. Vitamins are the essential micronutrient which are required in very small amount for the healthy growth and for the proper functioning of an organism. We are quite familiar with vitamins and we are familiar with the vitamins like A, B, C, D. So let us discuss more about vitamins. Vitamin plays hundreds of roles in our body. Some are it support the immune system. It is important for joints and bones, for eye and health, for the proper mental and physical energy, for the digestion and healthy heart, etc. So now let us classify the vitamin. Vitamins are classified on the basis of its solubility. It is classified as fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Vitamins which are soluble in fat is called as fat soluble vitamin. Do you know whichever vitamins are fat soluble? That are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These are the fat soluble vitamin. And the vitamin which is soluble in water is called as water soluble vitamin. Do you know whichever vitamins are water soluble? That are vitamin B and vitamin C. As it is water soluble, it gets excreted by urine. So there is a regular supply of vitamin C is needed in our body. So we should include the such vegetables and fruits which supplies vitamin C. As vitamin cannot be synthesized by our organism, so it have to be made a part of our diet. So let us discuss what are the sources and deficiency diseases of each vitamin. Sources of vitamin A. We get vitamin A from carrot, milk, fish liver oil, liver, butter, etc. And the deficiency of these will cause us diseases. Why vitamin A is necessary for our body? It is necessary for the clear vision. And the deficiency of this will cause us night blindness. Now let us discuss another vitamin, its sources, that is vitamin D. The sources of vitamin D are fish, sunshine and egg yolk. Its deficiency causes rickets in children and osteomalacia in the adults. Now let us find the next vitamin, that is vitamin E. The sources of vitamin E are cereals, grains and vegetable oils. Vitamin E deficiency causes infertility and it causes muscular weakness. Now let us find the another vitamin, that is vitamin K. The sources of vitamin K, usually the greeny leafy vegetables are a very good dietary source of vitamin K. Therefore, we must take green leafy vegetables in our day-to-day food. Its deficiency causes hemophilia, that is delay in blood clotting. The next vitamin, that is vitamin C. The sources of vitamin C, it usually found in the citrus fruits like lemon, amla and in some vegetables also. The deficiency of these causes deformity in bones and bleeding gums, etc. These are the diseases which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. The next is vitamin B. Its sources are meat, milk, yeast, grains, etc. Now vitamins are of further classified vitamin B1, B2, B6 and B12. The vitamin B1, its deficiency causes beriberi, and the deficiency of vitamin B2 causes a disease like gliosis. Vitamin B6, the deficiency of this causes paralysis. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes pernicious anemia, which is shown in the figure. The symptoms are shown here. Each vitamin have a particular chemical structure and have a particular chemical name, which is shown as following. Vitamins are also available in the form of multivitamin tablet, which is available in the market. Maybe many of us prefer these, but it may cause a side effect. So, better to take the proper diet, and it should include fruits, vegetables, grains, milk, fish, meat, etc. because these all are the very good source of vitamin. So we hope that instead of taking vitamin tablet, we will be preferring these, because vitamin tablets are actually, instead of that we can use vegetables. Homework for you: make a list of all vitamins and its sources and deficiency disease in a tabular form. So in this way we have finished the one of the biomolecule like vitamin. Thank you everyone.